Greetings of the day to all my dear students. We are going to start with the chapter number 1. So, in this chapter, you will understand and will learn certain sentences which we are going to speak when we are ready to introduce ourselves. So, we will learn how to introduce ourselves in English language in this chapter. So, let's begin. I hope everybody has turned to chapter number 1 in their workbooks and you have the workbooks open in front of you. So, let's now see what's there in the chapter number 1. First of all, I will read the introduction for you and I want you to listen it very patiently and carefully to the introduction. So, let's begin now. Hello everyone, my name is Mahesh Mehta. I hail from Vadodara. I am a scholar of grade 4 and I study in Maharishi Vidyalaya School. My hobbies include dancing and singing. I am blessed to be a part of caring and loving joint family. My father is an agriculturist and my mother is a homemaker. I have a younger sibling who studies in grade 1. So this is how we have listened to the introduction. Now, because this is the introduction of Mahesh Mehta, I want you to write your own introduction by making certain changes. And let's see how you're going to make these changes, and let's start writing. Now, you have to write in the space provided in your workbooks, and let's start the first sentence. First of all, please write down, hello everyone. If you have written hello everyone, let's see the second sentence that you will begin. My name is, please write down your name there. My name is, write down your name. Next sentence, I hail from Vadodara. Now, what is the meaning of this word hail? Hail means belong to. So, when you want to say that I belong to some place, the better word that we want to use here is hail from. I hail from Vadodara. Please make sure that you pronounce the word correctly, hail. So, how do you pronounce it? I hail from, write the name of your city or your village. I am a scholar of grade 4. After this sentence, you will tell everyone that in which grade you study, and for this, you will write, I am a scholar. Scholar means a student. So, if you have to use the word student, instead of using student, we will here try to replace the word by scholar. I am a scholar of grade 4. Write down your grade, and I study in, write down the name of your school. I hope everybody has written the name of their school. Let's move to the next sentence now. My hobbies include dancing and singing. So, you will talk about your hobbies in the next sentence. My hobbies include, write down your 2 hobbies that you really like. So, you can write dancing, singing, listening to music, playing badminton, volleyball, any game. Next one, I am blessed to be a part of caring and loving joint family. So, in this sentence, we want to tell everyone that I am very blessed that my family is very caring and loving. And in case you have a joint family, you can write loving joint family. In case you have a nuclear family, that is a small family, you can write and loving nuclear family. How will you write the spellings of nuclear in case you have to write that? N-U-C-L-E-A-R, nuclear. N-U-C-L-E-A-R, nuclear family, which means a small family. Next sentence, my father is an agriculturist. Now, in this sentence, you will talk about the occupation of your father. So, you can write here, my father is an agriculturist. In case your father is an agriculturist, he could be a doctor, maybe a nurse, a teacher. So, you write down the profession of your father. My father is a lawyer, a doctor. If you're using any occupation which begins with A-E-I-O-U, like agriculturist, here you can see an is been used. Similarly, if your father is an engineer, do not forget to use an engineer. The next one is my mother. Now, when you talk about your mother, and in case your mother is a homemaker, which means she stays at home and she takes care of every family member, she takes care of the needs of each and every one of us. So, we say that my mother is a homemaker. Avoid using the word housewife. The last sentence is, I have a younger sibling who studies in grade. You can talk about the grade in which your brother or sister studies. If it is younger, you will use the word younger. If it is elder, that means they are elder than you will use the word elder. So this is how we have understood how to introduce ourselves in chapter number 1.